Welcome back to another tutorial of Photoshop. Let's create this cool outline effect. Select the image layer and duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Go to Quick Selection tool and select Subject and click on Layer Mask icon. Go to Type tool and write your text. Select the Layer 1 copy layer and bring it on the top. Select the text layer and duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl+J. While selecting the layer, go to Fill and lower the fill to 0 and go to FX Stroke. Follow the settings. Bring the text copy layer on the top and select both text layer and click on this link icon. Now you have an outline effect. See you soon with another tutorial.